following example, we will create a wizard that calculates the addition of VAT from the original price. We start by creating 3 variables: price, which we set to 1, counter, which we set to 2 since we want the wizard to start from the second row, and VAT, which we will set to 1.17, which will add to the prices in our Excel sheet. Now, we're adding a loop command that stops only when the row in the sheet is empty. We add a copy from Excel command. We select the Excel file we want to use and name the sheet that we're referring to. Let's take a look at the Excel file we're using. As you can see, this sheet contains 2 columns, product and price. We want the data to be collected from the second column. Then we set the range of the cells. We want this command to start each time with a different row, so we set the rows to be the variable counter, and the column is the second column. We define the command to return the values in the variable price and define delimiters. It's important to define delimiters that are not expected to appear in the file text. Now we're adding a mathematics command. We set it to multiply the variable price by the variable VAT. Next, we're adding a paste to Excel command to add a new column that contains the price plus the VAT to the Excel file. We select to paste a single value and set to paste the contents of the variable price. We select the relevant file and define the sheet name. We define the column as the third column which we want to add the new values to, and the rows as counter, since again, we want the rows to change in any run of the loop. It's possible to copy commands using Ctrl+C and V. Let's copy the mathematics command and set the new one to add 1 to the variable counter. This variable reads and handles the next row. In the end, we add a show message command to see the changes in the variable price. We click Do It to run the wizard. Now, our wizard returns the new values of the variable price according to each row. The final message is an empty message, since the show message command displays the row before the next run of the loop. Let's open the Excel sheet to see what changed. As you can see, the wizard added a new column with the new product's price. Thanks for watching.